Today, I want to show you some of my favorite things from the Spring Cloth and Paper Aesthete box. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Aesthete sub box and the concept. The concept is lifestyle. It makes so much sense because Ashley is clearly a lifestyle icon, and the Aesthete box is all about the things that she loves and recommends. So the box is $150. And it comes out 4 times a year, and there's always a theme, and you know exactly what it is in advance. And this spring box will be shipping at the end of the month, and the theme is date night. So you've probably seen some of the sneaks that Cloth and Paper has had out over the last few weeks, including the Seville candle, the Evolve Together Hydrating Body Cream, as well as the Archive Yet to Be Written fragrance. If you haven't already ordered your Aesthete box and you do it this weekend, you'll really be in luck because there is a special deal. If you spend $150, you will get a free Basilica travel candle, which is a value of $20, and everyone's been loving that fragrance. So I thought this was really funny, but the date game that's actually fun. And over the last month, Ashley has been using the date game on the Happy Hour Lives and having people that are watching respond to the questions. And a lot of the things have really been fun. So there's several categories, and you get to flip the dice to get one. And it could be about me, it could be super random, fill in the blank, in my opinion, this or that. And then it's who's going to answer it, you, me, both of us. So once you get the category, you find a card in that category to do. So for example, if we were to pull a card out of the About Me, here's one. What sport would you want to go pro at? And these are just different things that allow you to get to know the person. So another one, what's your go-to takeout order for a cozy Friday night at home? That gives you a lot of information. So a fill in the blank, a game I never lose is, for example. Another one, my drink of choice is. And you see the other categories. So this would be fun. I think this can also work really well in a party situation as opposed to just in a date situation to get to know some people, and looks like a good icebreaker. There's always food items, and this box we have the white grape naturally flavored soda. And I love the design on the can because it's so minimal. And it's from United Sodas of America. And obviously there's lots of different flavors. This one is 30 calories. So this one has me in real trouble. Of course I love, here's the tin with a bee on it. You know that will be reused. And this is Brandini Toffee Almond Toffee Bites. And I have to tell you that it's taking all of my willpower not to devour the entire thing. These are unbelievably delicious. And one nice thing is we do get some cards with discounts to some of these shops so that if we are interested, we can purchase more items at a very, very good price. But my absolute favorite, Oma the Label, and there is a discount for them also. These earrings are absolutely gorgeous. So these are both minimal and very classic looking, and beautiful shiny gold, 18 karat gold plated. I would consider these a statement piece, and I think that they would look just wonderful with anything that has some gold in it to match, or even just on its own. I would think that if you're wearing these, you wouldn't even need a necklace if you didn't want to wear one, because it just draws your attention right to the earrings. And you can see how they attach with the post here. Again, a very minimal style. Early on, I was always just wearing yellow gold. Then I switched to silver. And now, at this point in my life, I think we're all like this, where things shift. Now I am most happy to be using mixed metals. And I absolutely love having things that are both silver and gold. So excited for these earrings, as they certainly fit in with my style. Thank you, Ashley. So you can still sign up for the Aesthete box until they run out. There's a link below. And by the way, that soda is yummy. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.